Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I like pumpkin and I like cream cheese, and I decided to combine them and make up these pumpkin and cream cheese bars. They're incredibly delicious, so let me walk you through this and let's get started. Okay guys, to kick things off, what I'm going to do is add a stick of butter to a mixing bowl, followed by a cup of brown sugar. And you can use white granulated sugar. I just like brown sugar. It gives that wonderful molasses taste. Grab up my electric mixer and I'm going to mix this until it's well creamed. Alright, now I'm going to add in an egg. And of course it is a pumpkin dish, so I'm going to add in a cup of pumpkin puree. And you can pick this up at any grocery store. A few drops of vanilla extract. And I just love this. And I'm going to grab up my mixer and mix once again. Until you get a mixture something like this, and if it's a little bit curdled, don't worry too much about it, that's fine. Alright, in a separate bowl I'm going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now our wonderful spices, which we have a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. So now we're just going to go ahead and add this in. Now we're going to go ahead and whisk this up, and if you don't have the pumpkin spice, you can go ahead and add, some nutmeg, ginger, or cloves, something like that. Now we're going to add the dry mixture to the wet mixture. And I'm going to do this, I'd say half at a time. And you don't want to over mix this, so I'm just going to use the spatula here and fold it in. Now the other half. Grease an 8x8 pan with some baking spray. Add the mixture in. And just spread it out evenly. Next up, we're going to make our cream cheese filling, and what I've got here is 8 ounces or 250 grams of cream cheese. I'm just going to kind of plop this in. And we'll beat this up until it becomes smooth and creamy. Okay, what you want is the texture is something like this. Then I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar, just to sweeten life up a little bit. An egg. Then again, one of my all-time favorites, a little bit of vanilla extract. Once again, a beating we will go. Then I'm going to add one delicious mixture over the other one. Doesn't this look incredible? And I can just smell that pumpkin coming through. Wow. Put this in a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Yeah, I should mention, guys, yesterday Eddie was so depressed. I was going to call the dog psychiatrist, but then I put him outside and he was just missing his squirrel friend. Poor Ed. After about 35 to 40 minutes, we're just going to let this cool completely on a wire rack. Okay guys, let's go ahead and cut into this and see what we got. This smells incredibly delicious. And there you have it guys, our cream and cheese pumpkin bars. Absolutely incredible. Okay, let's give this a taste. These are really good guys. To taste the pumpkin, the cream cheese. They're moist. Great with a cup of coffee, cup of tea, or even a glass of milk. Just love them. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there, dessert recipes galore. You're going to love it. So thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.